Hi everyone, so I am here at this amazing home with Karani, who was the interior designer, and I feel very spoiled because I quickly messaged her, we're friends on Instagram, and I'm like, you need to show me this house because it's amazing. So are you going to take us in and show us around? All right, let's go in. After you. Oh my goodness. So come in and take a look at this, okay? Super high ceilings, nice and fresh, and then these
beautiful
amazing
tiles, mosaic tiles, which me and the client loved, and we incorporated into the entry, and we've got a beautiful timber border that showcases them.
It is incredible, and look at all the wainscoting details. And this chandelier is pretty spectacular. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely this showstopper.
Yeah.
Yes.
Black and white, beautiful black door, and then across here, what is this?
So come into the study.
Oh wow. Okay.
This is a beautiful study where we've got a beautiful Tebow wallpaper. That we picked, and it's kind of the centerpiece, and it's like artwork.
Oh my god, it's incredible, and you know I love blue and white. Yes. So for me this is like heaven. Yeah. Loving that wallpaper, it is incredible.
Yeah, it definitely makes this room
and there's lots of light coming in, so that's great.
Yeah, it's definitely
fantastic. This is a
beautiful space,
big house, so let's keep going.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I just love this entryway.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Should we go straight through? Because it's like a bit of a labyrinth, so let's go into the living area. Oh my gosh, take a look at this. This is absolutely incredible. I mean, the first thing you see as soon as you actually walk through the door is straight through to the view.
Yes, yeah, perfect.
So that's incredible.
Yeah, it's definitely an entertainment house.
Yes, 100%. Maybe we'll have a look at this kitchen because I'm in love. Beautiful kitchen island. What you were telling me about this bench top too?
So this is called Neolith, and it's a porcelain stone.
Yeah.
So if you love marble, but don't like the maintenance of marble.
No, nobody does.
No, you can put this in your kitchen, and it's absolutely amazing. You can.
So it's easy to care.
Yeah. Just any cleaning product on it, and it's certainly great for families, and you don't have to worry about spills and things like that.
And you know, I've got little kids, so yes. And I have to admit, I hate cleaning. I clean, but I hate it. I don't enjoy it.
Yeah, it's definitely a great product to use on.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
And I was saying there is something in this house that I will have. The only thing is the sink. So there you go. There's one thing that I'll have. Yeah, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's keep going because around the corner here.
Yep. Coming through here, little butler's
pantry. Oh, and then you've got, so this kitchen's got 2 dishwashers.
Yes.
So one over there in the main kitchen, and then we've got one here which is like an integrated.
Which is great if you're entertaining and you just fill your main one, and then you can just.
So you can do the mess here and then leave that kitchen nice and clean.
That's right. Yeah, definitely. Yes, you can.
I got a little hair space. Must be a dream to
do your laundry in here.
Oh my gosh.
Considering us women spend most of our time in the laundry.
Yes, why is that?
Yes.
That's unfair.
So why not make it beautiful?
Exactly, I agree. All right, let's keep going this way. Oh my god, this archway, by the way, just take a look at the detail. Ooh, it is incredible.
Yeah, that was a feature the architect put in, and the client absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
And
it's
definitely
stunning.
Having the 2 windows was a must. So we just get airflow through here, and we designed everything else around pretty much the archway.
And then you're telling me that the owner has got Dutch heritage?
Yes.
Is it? So that's why I have a look at these beautiful
Dutch houses.
Yes.
Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah.
Love it. And oh my god, that's an incredible
yeah, that's quite the oven.
the Falcon, oven. Take a look.
You love to cook, don't you?
I do love to cook. Oh my god. I wish. We were actually having a discussion that I'm having a gas cooktop, but I hate cleaning the gas. So this would be So easy to clean. This is just a feature in itself. Yeah, beautiful. We all need one of those. Oh my goodness, this home is so bright and airy. It is so open. The ceilings are incredible, these coffered ceilings, and they've got the built-in light, hey?
Yes, yeah. Especially at night time, this looks beautiful.
Yeah, oh my God, I can imagine. Beautiful fireplace as well. Built in, yeah, have a look at this fireplace. This will be like a nice little corner to chillax and have a good chat.
And a beautiful slim Aran print above the fireplace.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yep. Divine. I don't know where to look. There's so many amazing features. I mean, even this dining table,
Yes.
this is incredible with the light.
Yeah.
Absolutely
That
love
light,
it. Yes?
Yeah, so many questions about this light. So it's a One World collection light. And,
Oh yeah, I can
pendant light,
imagine.
and, yeah, it's
Because
the main centerpiece.
Yeah, it definitely makes a statement,
Yeah.
but it's not over the top. It just fits, you know.
So although this is a Hamptons home, Mika wanted to incorporate some Bahamas.
Yes,
type
got a bit of
feel as well,
tropical. Yes,
and that
love
was
it.
the light
Coastal.
And the beautiful prints over here from Design
I know,
Toys.
they're amazing. They are amazing. And then over here you've got, so this is, I love how everything is in one, you know, open plan living,
Yeah.
the one spot. That is one gigantic
Yes.
sofa as well, which is great.
Yeah, and we've got a beautiful bayless rug, which ties it in perfectly with the wallpaper.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so this is also,
Brass wing wallpaper.
oh guys, I didn't actually realize this was wallpaper. It is.
Yeah, so we put the wallpaper in first, and
Yep.
the cabinetry was over the top.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. That. Now I think we need to go and check out the view. Let's go outside. Oh yeah, I thought that was mine. Well, I'm sure there's enough room for all of us. So wow, look at this. So this is another entertaining area, outdoor kitchen.
Yes, outdoor kitchen.
Yep.
This is the Neolith
Oh, yep.
bed shop again, which is great if you've got an outdoor area that is in the sun a little bit.
Yeah, oh,
this
yeah.
is only one of the products that you can get that you
That can
put
stay
out.
in the
Yeah,
sun.
Yeah.
Wow, see the things that you learn. I'm always learning. It is absolutely incredible. Yeah, and you always get nice breeze, like a nice breeze out here as well.
Yeah.
I mean, and then that view, of course. All right, now I know that you said there's a hidden surprise, okay? Are you gonna show us? Because you'll never, yes.
A little bit special. This is the outdoor powder room.
Okay.
So come and check out.
Okay, I will let you guys go in. Okay, ta-da! Isn't this amazing? And I love it how it's fun.
Yeah, that's what we
yeah.
wanted. Something fun. She picked the wallpaper, and yeah, we just went with it and picked the black pendant.
It's perfect.
From Theo and Joe.
Well, you know, you've got the pool area here, so
Yeah.
something fun.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. So we thought that, you know, we would show you guys this beautiful spot, and then across this way we've got the pool. All right, fantastic.
Cool. To enjoy.
You can either take, that's it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's almost like the infinity pool where you've got the view of the water just in front of you.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll take it. I'll take this home, thanks. I'll take it.
It's got everything you need, really.
Yes.
Except a butler.
Yes,
Butler.
no, we need a butler. Now, should we go, oh, I don't think, have we seen the games room?
No, we'll go into the
Okay,
games room.
take you this way.
It's like a man cave / kids playroom.
Oh my goodness.
Hang out in.
Oh, you know what? I love how you picked also the really deep navy.
Yeah.
Walls.
We have actually picked the blue, and it works stunning with the white.
Yes.
As the accent. And,
Oh
yeah,
my
just ties it all
goodness, this
together.
is perfect.
Yeah.
So / game room / man cave / whatever you want it to be.
Yes.
It's incredible.
And I guess you could put, you know, a media room in here too.
You could do whatever you want
Yeah.
because all the doors close, I can see, so.
Yeah, it's got these beautiful doors that, I'm not sure if you can see a bit more detail.
Ah, yep. Love them.
Glass and grills.
Oh, yes. Beautiful millwork. All right, let's keep going. Now, yes, before, and I sneak peek over there, but you're not allowed to look at that just yet. We'll do a left-hand turn, and we're going into one of the kids' bedrooms, right?
Yes, a little boy's room.
Now, this is a little boy, so I could just imagine my son having a room like this.
Oh, yeah. Play all day up here, couldn't you?
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
it's incredible, so big.
Yes.
So, again, high ceilings in here. And that's a nice classic wallpaper with the stripes.
Yeah, definitely great for a boy's room. And then we pick the diamonds again to kind of contrast the stripe.
Yeah, love it. Love it. And then this room also has a walk-in robe, and then it's got a
Powder room.
powder room.
Oh, what do you
Yeah.
call it? Powder room, maybe.
Ensuite.
Ensuite.
Yeah. We'll check that out quickly. My goodness. All right. I'm a little bit excited, okay, for what's to come. So let's keep going. All right. By the way, this is all storage.
Yes, all built-in storage. Yeah, and the walk-in behind here is walk-in storage as well.
There's a walk-in storage. Should we have a look? I mean, oh,
For, you know, like
oh
bedding
my
and things
goodness.
like that, yeah.
You would never think that the storage area is this deep, but have a look at that. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to have another look at their daughter's room. Okay, if I was if I was a little girl, yeah, or a teenager, and I had something like this, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And I love the color choices that you've picked here.
Started with the aqua. I think we built the scheme with this around the bed, being that Bahamas style, but then trying to keep it a little bit classic for the girls. And then we found the rug, and then it was all, the scheme was built around the rug.
Oh my God, I can see.
And the pink.
I can see why. It's
Yeah.
gorgeous. It's just so fresh.
Yeah.
Ah.
And we used the Three Beaches fabric on the.
Oh yes, I know them.
blinds
Yeah,
and the
fantastic, wonderful.
seat, and yeah, so they are
It's
great.
beautiful. And then I mean, waking up to a view like that is
Heaven.
it's heaven.
You didn't want to go to school, really, did you?
Oh my goodness. I mean, where do you go from here? Like once you experience this, it's like you want this all the time.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. She's got like a great little study nook here as well,
Yeah.
which is great. Is this the same as, is this different or it's the same?
This is just laminate, I think.
Oh,
It's like
fantastic. That's so
for
clever.
kids because.
But why would
yeah,
you?
Yeah.
But you know what? You would never be able to tell. If you didn't tell me that, I wouldn't have a clue.
Yes, it's just laminate, so it's
Fantastic.
durable for kids.
Yes, oh God, yes. And then we'll go and have a look at the little powder room. Okay, so she's got her own walk-in robe. And then she's also got the most gorgeous little ensuite as well. Every kid's dream, more like I'll quite happily be in here. Ah, my goodness. Are we ready?
You ready for the master?
Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, check out, first of all, these doors.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Absolutely incredible. You've got the high ceilings as well, like cathedral ceilings.
Yes, with the VJ.
Yes.
Yes, to give it a bit
Oh
of
my
texture.
God.
And then again, we've used another Tivo wallpaper to tie it all together. And the client wanted green and blue.
Which is perfect combination. I love greens.
Hamptons.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing. And it's such a unique, design, but look at all the windows. I've never seen so many windows.
Yeah, the windows.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful. And outside it's very active.
Today.
Lots of boats. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll turn around and check out the view. There's our tiny little boat at the front there.
I wonder if they want some.
I know.
We'll just wave to them out.
Yeah. Give us a tour, please. Yeah. Okay.
This is probably my favourite.
I can.
You know, you just want to have a bath in here and relax and look at
Okay.
the stunning view.
This is absolutely insane. Okay. I mean, that view from that bathtub, I don't think you can get any better than that.
No.
My goodness. Okay, so I just want you guys to realize how big this is. Okay, it's huge. So you've got the showers when you come in on your right hand side, which is fabulous. These floors are beautiful too, loving the tiles.
Inlaid marble floors, which we had a lot of love go into these because they had to be polished and ground back a little bit to get that flat.
Ah, yes.
These are all the little mosaics around the.
Oh my God, now I can.
Yeah, they come on a sheet, yeah.
That is a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work in this bathroom. These are her sinks.
I know, fantastic.
Yeah.
And then we are walking into the walk-in robe.
Walking room.
Wow.
Every girl's dream, right?
This is every girl's dream, but I was talking to you before, I'm like, I don't think I'll be able to fill this up.
No.
I don't have that many clothes that I can actually, you know.
Well, you have an excuse to go shopping then.
Yes, I would.
Right?
I know, this is absolutely incredible. I mean, guys, just, and then you've got a skylight.
Yeah, beautiful skylight to let some light
Which
in.
is so clever.
Yeah.
So lots of natural light coming in.
Yes. And you've got a nice big mirror to get ready.
Yes.
Here
This is incredible.
yes.
Yeah, incredible. And then we'll turn around because in this little corner, this little nook, look at that chandelier.
So pretty.
And then the wallpaper is a lot of fun.
Yes, and again, it's another TiVo one.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah, we went leopard print. Yeah, it was definitely a
Yeah, this is
special wallpaper.
yes.
So we started with the wallpaper and then built around that to try and find
Perfect.
pieces to go in.
And then it's not finished because you were telling me around the corner they've got like a special little nook for your coffee on your right hand side.
In the morning, you can get your tea and coffee. Yeah.
Because why not?
Yeah, hubby can make, you know, tea and
That's it. I'll wait in bed while you bring me a coffee. My God, this has been the most beautiful house. Thank you so much for like showing me around this incredible
It's been my pleasure.
house. And guys, I hope you enjoy this home tour, and I'll put all the details of your wonderful page as well so everyone can go and check it out and say hello.
Awesome.
And thank you to the owner for letting us, you know, walk through. So yeah.
You enjoy.